Match the corresponding entries for column 1 with the column 2, where M is the magnification produced by the mirror. Okay, the column 1 they are going to give the magnification produced by the mirror, and the column 2 they are going to give the convex mirror, concave mirror, real image or virtual image we need to give. So for the M magnification value, depend upon that we need to find the value here. A, when the magnification in the mirror is M, that is equal to -2, it implies that V is equal to 2U. V is equal to 2U. Since both V and U are the same sign, then it indicates that it is a concave mirror and a real image. So A is B and C. A is matched to B and C here. So A is a B and C. Yes, this is correct. So in rest of the case, A is A and C, A and D, C and D. Then we can say the first option is the right option, and we will check the remaining magnification values also here. Then if M is equal to -1/2, then V is equal to U by 2, suggesting a concave mirror and a real image. So B is implies to concave and real image, that is B and C. Here B is equal to implies to B and C. Again, this is correct. And when the magnification value is a +2, then V is equal to -2U. Even though V and U have a opposite signs, then the magnification being 2 indicates a concave mirror, but it is a virtual image. It is not a real image. Then the value of the C is implies to B and D. C implies to B and D. Yes, it is correct. And when the magnification value is a +1/2 and the V is equal to -U by 2, since V and U have a opposite signs with a magnification of 1/2, the real mirror is a convex and a virtual image. It is a convex and virtual image, that is A and C. So D is implies to A and D. A and D here. Okay. So then by this one we can directly say option A is the right answer.